Let's go, baby. Come on. Good morning. Get it. Let's get it here. All right, let's check out Goldie. Goldie running no bottom wick on the daily. Actually tapping into this zone. 4 hour running up, no bottom wick as well. 1 hour, same thing. Kind of looks good to turn around, honestly. Kind of looks good to turn around. This would definitely be the area that I would be looking for here. Definitely. If it wants to. Doesn't have to. Does not have to. Go check out NQ real quick. NQ on the daily running up. What a chop fest. It's not NQ. That's better. So NQ coming down actually. No top wick. Just running down today. Yeah, so you got the breakout here. Maybe not. You didn't. So you actually didn't even get the closure below. Unless you were looking up there. But I probably would have had it set there. Oh, on the 15-minute you did. You did get a 15-minute closure. Yeah, we'll see. We will see, man. Goldie's kind of got a mind of its own. Take a shot
Order
here.
filled.
Take a shot. I usually like rejections right where like a resistance is. At least for small bounce. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes for a 30-minute closure. Has a mind of its own, man. Has a mind of its own. Mind of its own. All right, so we got 1 minute here. Goldie doesn't want to play by the rules today. Does it ever? All right, we got about 20 seconds till 7:30. See what happens. Might want to come up and break that. So we actually did get a breakout. Did get a breakout on NQ. I don't know if I like the 1 hour pushing up like that though. Not really. Not really. All right, are we gonna get our turnaround here? Are we gonna get our turnaround? We'll see. You know, if we could get, if this wants to come down here today, yeah, I mean, daily has like no bottom wick. That would be full TP. If it did. Not saying that's going to happen, but I mean, it tapped into the daily zone right here. Got your daily rejection and the daily running with no bottom wick. 4 hour running with no bottom wick. 1 hour, same thing. Tapping into the zone. Now we're getting a 30-minute turnaround. Maybe. Could happen here today. Doesn't mean we need to do that. But I'm just trying to correlate all the higher time frames. And I mean, it looks good for that. So we'll see. But we could possibly see a huge move today down. Possibly. Stranger things have happened. Or if gold wants to rally here today, then it will. Go about our business. Go about our business here today. Would be lovely. I mean, it looks good with the 4 hour making that top wick. Didn't come down. I mean, you had the bearish 4 hour candle closure. New 4 hour coming up, making a steep top wick. To send it down here today. 1 hour, no, like I said, 1 hour, no top wick here on the previous. And then it shot up, no bottom wick. So, I don't know, man. It looks good to me for a big move. We'll see what happens. looks good. But so we blew our XFAs, but we did get a payout before we blew them at least, which that's always the goal. If you're gonna blow your XFAs, at least try to get your money out of it. Yeah, I went for the moon a couple times and lost, so tried to send it a little bit. But I should have known better in this market. It's tough. All good. We go again. Load up the combines and get back to work. Yeah, I mean, it looks good, man. Be curious to see where this ends up. Hopefully it ends up full TP down there. Wouldn't that be something, huh? How about that? Why not? Why not? Just a matter of if we want to hold on to it today. Oh, excuse me. Kind of forgot we were in a trade for a second. I wanted to go 2 contracts, but I didn't want to get too close to my daily loss limit. I was already down like 800 bucks. I wanted to go more from up here, but that's all right. Come on down. Price is right. Ooh, it gets chalky down there at the bottom, M. A little chalky at the bottom. Yeah, so we'll see. I mean, for me, it looks good to come down still, but I have been wrong before. Just looks like everything kind of correlates, you know, with the daily tapping into the daily zone up there. No bottom wick. 4 hour tapping into that zone. No bottom wick. 1 hour. Previous candle closed. No top wick. Next candle running. No bottom wick and starting to reject. So, I mean, just looking at that, it looks phenomenal to come down, but doesn't mean it will. That's the thing about trading. You could do everything right. You could just, you know, make the right read and everything, and, you know, everything with your plan. You know, you execute your plan, and you could still lose. It's part of the deal. You just got to build those losses into your plan. Out of 100 trades, gotta have a system that makes you money over 100 trades, 200 trades, 300 trades. Have data on it. You know, if you're in a system right now where you have no data and you just keep losing, then first of all, I would track the data, track the system, make sure it actually works, and then follow it so you know it's accurate. And if it's not, if it's a plan that doesn't work, doesn't make you any money, then you're gonna have to find a new plan. Now, I wouldn't system hop too much, but at least, you know, if you're gonna switch plans, then track the data of it. Otherwise, it does you no good. You're just out there taking random trades, not having any data on it. So make sure you know that you actually have a profitable system. So we do have a 15-minute closure coming. About 2 minutes. I'm in my nose. Tomorrow I got a new internet company coming tomorrow, so hopefully they'll fix the issues I've been having with my internet. Should be faster, should be better. I do need a new PC, however, but we'll wait on that because it does what we need. So I actually love this setup. I don't have a name for it though, where you get closure like on a higher time frame, like a 1 hour or something, and it's up near like a daily or a 4 hour rejection zone, like a daily zone, and then starts running, no bottom wick, and then you catch it kind of when it's up there. I love that. I don't have a name for it. Just kind of a limit, like impulse trade that I do, that I enjoy. Okay, so we did get a 15-minute closure, bearish closure. I love that. Could run up for a top wick first, maybe, then hopefully goes down. Ideally, we'd love to see the bleeder candle, huh? Bet Ohio's not here today. We'd love to see this today. We'd love to see it. Get a little bleeder candle. One time for the one time. So the question is, how long are we going to attempt to hold this today? The only reason I'm not as likely to hold it today is because I'm already red. But we'll see. See what we come up with. $30 still pushing down off of that new 15. 1 hour about to flip. This is exactly what we were looking for on the higher time frame to correlate. That's why we correlate it, man. We gotta make this a little fatter so it shows up better. Get our bleeder candle out there. So if you wanted to, this would be an area I would either take partials in or close full, because you're kind of coming into this, you know, zone here. I only have one contract, so I don't have any partials, but this would definitely be the area I would slam some of those real quick and then move to break even. For sure. For sure. But again, I was trying to correlate with the higher time frame, so even though it's tapping into the zone, I mean, it could come and whipsaw around up at the top again, but just hoping it goes down with everything that we correlated with the no bottom wicks, no top wick, no bottom wicks. Come back down here today. You did get a bullish 4-hour closure, but it's weak bullish. Hard rejection off the top. So, or excuse me, I still have the bleeder candle out, but it is, we got a bearish closure, sorry, excuse me. So coming up to make that top wick could be 4-hour. I'm going to mark that 4-hour low. Do we know where that's at? Yeah, so you got partials here is what I would take. And then, I mean, you could, or close full, like whenever in here. Coming for the 4-hour flip. Leader candle playing out so far. Like I said, the only reason I might take this, like, somewhere down here, just because I am red today. So, we'll see. See what I decide to do here. See what we decide. Candle looking nice though. Got about 10 minutes for a 1-hour closure. 1 hour did flip. So this is not looking bad at the moment. Not looking bad. starting to come for those 4-hour lows. Also, like, coming into 8 o'clock, 8:30, you just never know if those candles are going to help you or hurt you. You know, everything that I correlated looks good to move down and move down big today. But, you know as well as I do, an 8:30 candle could come up, wick all these highs out, and then drop. So, something to keep in mind here today. If we just want to be aware of that as we move towards like 8:15, 8:30. Something to keep in mind if we want to get out, just to avoid any sort of mess with that. Especially since we're already red here today. If you guys see me moving this around, it's because I'm measuring. I like to see where stuff's at. I know I'm constantly like moving this thing around. My bad. My bad. Yeah, like I said, I wanted to go in. If I wasn't red here today, I would have been in with 2 contracts for sure. Because I really like this zone up here. So I'd have to get down there. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, snap. Get our bleeder candle mascot right there. What else we got in here? Is this just paint? Oh, snap. We just don't want to get in any funny business at like 8:30. Unless it helps us, you know. 8:30 volume could push us down, or it could wick us all out and then push down, or you just never know. You never know. You never know. I'm gonna move to break even there. So it's coming for those 4-hour lows. I kind of want to hang on here another 5 minutes just to see what it does here at 8 o'clock. But good to push down still, though. I mean, look at that 1 hour. That looks beautiful. Exactly what we were looking for. 4-hour flip could be incoming as well. I might keep the stop up here still. Above those highs, the 4-hour. Yeah, I think I'd like to stay in this at least. At least for another 4 minutes. see how that comes out. Hope everyone's having a wonderful week. We have not a lot of news, really. I mean, you've got some crude oil inventory at 9:30. Then President Trump speaking at 2 p.m. About it. That's about it today. What about tomorrow? Nothing. Unemployment claims, orange folder, 7:30. And then nothing on Friday. So we got really nothing going on too much. Nothing too much. Okay. So it broke the 4-hour lows. Did break the 4-hour lows. This is all happening before the closure as well. All right, well, that just doesn't work. Inside it, I mean, you gotta like space it out or something here, man. All right, we got our bleeder candle mascot here. Bring out the mascot. So it broke the 4-hour lows and then popped back in all before the closure here. So we got another minute though. Like I said, I think I'd like to stay in this for... It almost got to TP here. Almost. Almost. Almost, man. I'd like this to come down a little bit and close here in 30 seconds, like at least a little further down. All right, we got about 10 seconds here for this 1-hour closure. All right, so you've got that pushing up right off the jump. Right off the jump. So NQ actually, wow. NQ actually looks pretty good to go down as well. It does. But I'm already in this. I'm gonna let it play out. I'll let it play out here today. But we'll have to monitor this as it gets closer to like 8:15, 8:30. Kind of see where everything's at. Kind of see where we're at. Really hoping it just kind of makes a wick here and then pops down. We're kind of letting this one play out a little bit. Just because of the correlation here. I don't like that it broke those 4-hour lows. Now it's coming back up, but did get some bearish closures. The daily did tap into the daily resistance up there. Yeah, I don't love that. But we'll see. If we wanted to, we could just get our money back there. I don't want to see it break that low though. But yeah, I don't like that it broke the 4-hour lows and just sent it right back up. Man, it almost got to TP down there too. Would have been right there. So close. kind of stalling out here. We got about 7 minutes for 8:15. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, my contact is bugging. Yeah, I don't love that it just barely broke those 4-hour lows and then came straight back up. I don't love that. So we got a 15-minute closure here in 5 minutes. Yeah, like I said, I don't love that it broke those lows. And now it's running back up. I don't love it. Like it wants to just skyrocket back up. Hoping it turns around like right here. Kind of where it's at right now. But who knows? Just running. Three minutes for a 15-minute closure. Holy tripping. Two minutes. All right, we got 1 minute. I just spilled on myself. We just spilled on ourselves. $20 seconds. Jeez. Brother. It's criminal. All right, you got no top wick there on the 15. Look at this, man. Crazy. Crazy, man. I'll be right back.
Order filled.
All right, it wicked this out, looks like, at break even. So we could have taken a bunch, but I just anticipated this coming down. Like, everything correlated nicely. You know, like I said, I didn't like that it broke these lows and then came straight back up. It's right back up there now. So but yeah, we caught that move. We should have just taken it, but I was willing to go for it a little bit. So definitely take that. Sometimes I like just taking some risks. Worth a shot on the combines. Okay, so this actually came back up on NQ. You got the closures below, and then you got candle ripping right back up into it. See what happens with that. 4 hour is tapping into that zone. Come back up, possibly. We'll see. Got about 6 minutes for 8:30 though. Look at this, man. Unreal. Market has been just insane. Insane, man. Four hour pushing up, about to break the highs. Did break the highs, I think. So you broke the lows. You came back up. You broke the highs a little bit. Jeez. That's wild, man. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Got 5 minutes. Like you get this move, and then it goes right back up. Crazy, man. All right, 2 minutes for 8:30. Two minutes. See which way it wants to go here at 8:30. I don't know, man. I mean, it's in that. Everything still looks good. It might have just trolled me at 8:30. No lie. Like I said, that it could happen. Like, it doesn't have to go down now. It could go all the way back up, wick us out, and then go down. That's exactly what I said earlier. So, hindsight, whatever. But I could have taken it down here and then just waited for 8:30. See what that brought. But I was kind of hoping that it would close somewhere down here, and then 8:30 would push it down. But no dice today on that. Got about 30 seconds for this. But yeah, all the correlation looked good except for now the 4 hour broke that low and it's coming right back up and made a new high. So, but it made that high and that was it. If this wants to maybe run up here, I might take a shot. Might take a shot at it. We'll see, man. I've got a limit sell up here on the break of the highs. Even though the 4 hour looks crazy bullish, the daily still doesn't have a bottom wick, and it's tapping into this daily rejection zone here.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in. Broke the highs. Give it a little bit of room. We'll see, man. All we can do is give it a shot based off of our correlation. So, for me, it makes sense to come down, even though it looked mad bullish on the 4 hour. But we'll see. I liked that this came up no bottom wick first as well. Broke all those previous daily highs. We'll see, man. See if we can get it. A big rejection off here could be the catalyst to go down where I was saying before. Could be. Full TP would be down there just because, I mean, that's the max on the combines you can make. I always mark that out. I always mark that out on the combines. But I'll be right back. still pushing up. Yeah, we didn't get the rejection. There's just not a lot of follow through, man. I've said it a bunch of times. There's not a lot of follow through in this market. You'll get a big old sell down here and then just instantly right back up. You'll get that and then instantly back down. Like, there's just no follow through one way or the other. You know, the way it goes. The way it goes. We got about 5 minutes for a 15-minute closure. All right, let's check out NQ while this runs up the wrong direction. NQ, same thing, man. Just pushing up. 4 hour did flip, though, on that one. 4 hour flip bullish. 1 hour running up. Nice. Ours is a little bit more mellow for now. A little bit more mellow. Crazy, man. All right, we got 1 minute for this 15-minute closure. The wrong direction. The wrong direction. Yeah. I'd like to see this close lower, but 30 seconds. 30 seconds. It even gapped up. Wow. Classic.
Dream of it when I lie awake. I know it's out there, I'll be waiting. I dream of it when I lie awake.
Pushing up, man. Pushing up.
I dream of it when I lie awake. Take me away. Take me away. I dream of it when I lie awake. I know it's out there, I'll be waiting. I dream of it when I lie awake. I know it's out there, I'll be waiting. I dream of it when I lie awake. Space between my head and my heart is slowly.
So NQ getting a rejection. Finally. Interesting.
Order filled.
All right, we're out. We are out, brother. That's it for me, man. Appreciate y'all. We'll catch y'all hopefully tomorrow. All right. Peace.